Good morning. Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy. En ik maak video's, live videos, mostly of Yiddish. Van me vangt aan de video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing. En als je kent weer naar channel member, hit the join button. Ze gaat een lange, riesige weg. Ook het van me vangt toen is vergessen. Het is absolutely positively nicht financial advice. So please be very careful. De market te weg naar mijn laten zo die hast. Nicht gelijk wie ze die heißt. So please. Ich lerne nicht aus, wie sie mit Trade kicken, so wie ein Kind oder ein Adult, der spielt Lego. So please. Good morning, Jack. Good morning, Jack. Good morning, Toby. Good morning, good morning. Hey, Martin. Good morning, good morning. How you been? How you been? How you been? How was your weekend? How was Shabbos? Good morning. Just wanted to say that I hope everyone's family in Israel are safe and well. Troubling times. We'll see. We'll see you another time. Yes. That is war. That is war. This is the response. What a crazy success though from Israel. In war, Menschen starben. But to keep it in such a low number, let's be real. That's crazy. How is it, Jack, over there? Visagaitis? Don't forget this poll. I agree. Let me take a... Thank you for reminding me. You are sitting there in America, all comfortable. Well, what do you want I should do? Ik ben een beetje gevoerd in Syria, to Iran. I didn't do it. So, don't give me anything.
מהכל לשכוח ותמיד לשמוח כי בנו יש את כל הכוח מהכל לשכוח תנו לנו לשמוח כולם לרקוד עכשיו לרקוד עכשיו לרקוד
Call me. Good morning, good morning. Gershi, good morning, good morning. Martin, everything is okay by me. As much as possible, you know? Von der Ausgang for a walk. Hat es extra shine Wetter. Meaning, sind ich du 3-4 Schnee und so fliegt nicht kein Missiles. So winner, winner. How you doing, Gershi? Good morning. Call me, yes. Send some love for our brothers and sisters. I'm online with Israel, with family. Bye for now. Enjoy, Toby. Enjoy. Don't stress, though. Stressing doesn't help anybody. It will just make everybody more stressed. What a crazy few days, though, I gotta say. Half in the night, Israelis airstrikes on Iran's nuclear military sites, launched over the weekend, have escalated tension with Iran striking, killing at least 8 people in Israel, including 4 in Petah Tikva, and injuring dozens. Good morning, Jack, and good morning, Jack's people around you. Good morning, Shulam. Good morning, Shulam. Good morning, Shulam. Ich gehe einfach nach Ram checken mit Jacks Phone. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu claimed Iran plotted assassination Trump over nuclear stance. A claim unverified by the US officials. But I don't know. Why do you read with such a smile in the news? Because I want to? Because I want to. Well, was hat man getracht, man geht herangehen in a zweite country in Obama seine generals und Sachen. There's obviously a return. JB. Good morning, JB. How you doing? How was the weekend? How was Shabbos? Yankee T. Good morning, Yankee. How you doing? Brooklyn. Good morning, good morning. Ja, Kitty, good morning is fine. Good morning is fine. Dat verschil lang aan de wetten. Ich bin kind of a fan of America First. But that's just me. That's just me. Ich habe gesehen Videos wie Hebron haben sich gesheltert in a tunnel. Very interesting.
תגיד תודה לאל שיש לנו בית
You are the king of your life. Yes, but that's ich kann das schreiben. You know what I mean? YG. Good morning, YG. How are you? Weekend was great. Took your advice on walking thing video. Nice. My pleasure, JB. It's the small steps. It's the small steps that make a big difference, you know? Über the weekend, ich gewesen the military parade. Wir hat nicht ausgekickt. Ich ausgekickt, dass es geht. Es hat ausgekickt ein bisschen. Disaster, ja. Was ist interessant, aber man bringt es zurück. Man darf zurückbringen Pride. Meaning to say, Amerika darf ich herausbellen jedem, und Amerika darf ich an der police of the Welt. That's what it means, Jack. My tax money should stay in the United States of America. Und ich gehe kein Ergens. Wir sind nicht pointing out any other country mehr wie any other country. We have problems at home. We should take care of problems at home. So wie gaan ze vragen wat sta Frau in Canada. Sie hat gesagt, sie arbeitet 25 Euro oder 20 Euro auf a Job. Sie hat herangezahlt 25 Euro. Sie hat verloren ihr Job. Und the government hat ihr gegeben 6 Wochen auf Insurance. Und sie kann nicht treffen a Job. So sie hat decided, dass sie geht rausgehen von der Country und zurückkommen mit der falschen Nummer. Hat sie bekommen alle Help in der Welt. The parade wasn't not in the Merziga, wo sie watchen von anderen countries. In andere countries weißen, wie sie mal like to parade. And this was like, not really. Man kann sehen, das ist nicht in der Trend. In Oge, the Not King protests haben gehabt, sehr viele Menschen all over the United States. In Amerika ist man nicht gewohnt. The previous parade gewesen in 91. But sie gehen noch a war. Tries zurückzubringen Pride, you know? Pride. Nicht der Pride, man, Pride. Pride in the United States. Das Spielen geht, du bist Amerikaner. Das sind Values. Which man hat verloren die letzten paar Jahre. Auch der Wetter hat nicht mitgespielt. Ist auch der ganze Israeli-Iran-Sache ist bad timing. Menschen haben nicht gewollt da rausgehen. People needed to watch out. The left sind eine Sache mehr Messias Nefish type of people. The problem with them is, Martin, as ze doen als wie policing en nog doen we als wie agenda-driven policing. And this is unchecked power. Man gaat eraan zu andere countries en man draait über. Und das ist sehr schwer zu wissen. Because so viel Geld ist man schon geworden, sie geworden flieht zu andere countries. Von wo, von wen, von wie. Und in Sommer so viele Problems do. Aber man geht so viel Geld für die ganze Welt. Von wo hat nicht jeder eine echte Healthcare do? Die beste Healthcare in der Welt. Von wo ist nicht jeder eine gesehen? Und du meinst die United States of America. Alles geht. Good morning. How you doing? Wie Sie gehen an Shabbos? Wie Sie gehen an Weekend? Yes. Extremely crazy. But Von 200 ballistic missiles, 5 kommt heran. Ich meine, der Rate sei geht, das Rule hat sich mit Wusse schämen. And sadly, in jeder War starben Menschen. But let's be real, wenn ein zweiter Country schickt über 300-400 ballistic missiles, in nur a certain Menschen starben, number-wise, you know, 2-3 buildings zurückkommen, ist nur ein bisschen injuries, this huge numbers. Get the food, get the atmosphere, BH. Nice, yes, that's all that matters. So with good strategy. But the problem is, man weiß nicht, was es geht und was nicht. Man darf aufhaken alle strategies, darf aufhaken alle aid, sehen, wo dit sich, herausnehmen corruption. Ich verstehe, es ist La La Land. Das kann man nicht echt erledigen. I get that. Ich verstehe die Gelijk zwischen Fantasy and reality. But I'm leaning towards more of that. No Jews, no news. Yes, alles gut. In Ochet. Weil sie seine Gewinner so geht, und sie vergesst nicht, jeder Win, was Israel hat, developt es noch hate. In Ochet ist eigentlich zwischen der Israeli Government und den Menschen of Israel in Ochet Jiden. Das sind 3 andere Sachen. Ich weiß, dass uns weiß man das. Aber die Welt weiß das nicht. Die Welt weiß das nicht. And this can develop hate all over the United States and the ganze Welt. Zoek the United States, because for me, the United States is the Welt. And the trauma that builds up with kids, yes. So my pinga redden vinden, so I do gewatcht Agenda Free TV auf YouTube. En is live door de ganze Sache. En jeder muss do sirens, darf man da roepen laufen zu der Shelter. De Shelter ist nicht bequem. So developed as a Ruhigkeit. Joseph, getting awake. Good morning, good morning. While Israel is fighting American war. Debatable. It's so skewed, was is was and wie is when. You know? The reason why van Amerika is ook, weil Amerika hat sich herangemischt in andere countries. Was man nicht gedacht. Wir sind in Irak 91, 92, Bibi gekommen zu Kongress, sagen, man soll herangehen in Irak. You know, he was itching for war. Weil es ist a country, wo es wird gerunnt bei so-called Jiden, meint nicht eine gerecht auf jeden Move sie machen. Let's be real. So wie der Nachi Yavel Podcast. Menschen meinen, das ist ein jiddischer Podcast. Es ist nicht. It just happens to be, is a Jew. Was macht der Podcast? I mean, wenn nicht Amerika wird das Ruhm nicht gekannt surviven, just of the power itself, the sustainability, nicht ja, alles geht mit Landmass macht dich kachillig. Landmass macht dich kachillig. Especially mit technology. Weil die siehst doch, was sie haben getan. Just imagine, wie sie so infiltrated Iran. Sie haben gehad 5-6 Car-Bombs dort, sie haben gehad Scientists und Sachen. That's some crazy intel. That's some crazy chain of command, intel, wissen, wie jeder... Mission-wise, that was a crazy mission. Literally to perfection. So much so that you could just hate them for that, if you get what I'm saying. Just of the fact, the Weg wie so album is conducted. Amayim. Alles gets verrekt. Did Iran catch a few Mossad agents? Supposedly, haben sie gehabt, but sie können auch jetzt a ploy because the people in the country are upset. So they want revenge. So man trefft a Mensch, man fabricates some evidence and man harget him. In the oil and baruitze. Israel wanted to build a weapon for itself and they had plans for fighter jets and the US didn't let them because they won't be the boss, so they didn't let them. Israel wanted to build a weapon by itself, meaning Nechten is ausgefuhren, supposedly 25 military planes, fuelers mit Sachen towards Israel. Just like that, from alle bases over the United States. En ook het refueling in mid-air is support van Amerika. Wenn nicht den Botten sind, you can't in certain missions, because Iran is zivat. Ook het Amerika teruggeschossen als Sache incoming missiles, you know. Jordan hat auch het geworfen, als Sache. The problem is, man weiß nicht, wer ist was und wie ist wer in the meetings versus public. Syria kicked out the itching closer to Shulam with Israel. That would be an interesting turn. The other thing is not to go to Finland and they have a drills. Oh, wow, good point, Brooklyn. Supposedly hat Israel gebeten Amerika for help. Sie haben a nuclear site, wo sie arbeiten, very deep down. And Israel hat nicht the capabilities of transporten als eine große Bahn. Oder viele haben sie nicht die Bahn? Interesting. Undercover Jordan. Alles geht möglich. Is ook het geweld, Iran het geweld detachen from the government. Like machen als a sichere burn in between, you know. The oilem so zijn ruhig, man so kaufen Teslas. Because he's kind of sitting with cars. It would be interesting if a few countries machen gute relations mit Israel und man dreht in eine ganze region und man geht weg von der hate. It would be kind of interesting to see. 9:08, 22 minutes bis die Market left off. Syria, the leader from Syria yet, he is trying to cozy up, you know. It's gewoon shine suits. We bleiben in power. So I guess becoming friends with Israel is a good move. I think it would be a great move. Wat is interessant, de alle wars, ze hebben dat Israel zijn veel gevlogen zu Yemen. Delivering a 1-2 punch. Hebben gegeven makers. Deze had zich de wars gechanged between whom actual soldiers on the ground. Maar daar zijn geen actual soldiers. You know, maar daar zijn geen tanks. We thought eerste priority is fine. De kerst alles deliveren van dort. Interesting. A grocery store in Brookline, Massachusetts was hit with a Free Palestine brick, prompting police investigations. All right. Dit is de zaak. De mensen geven me source of andere mensen was dan veel niet connected met het rule or anything. Daar watchen. Gotta have one eye open behind your head. Gooi dat Yiddish. Guten Sie Morgen. How you doing? How you feeling? Trump's mobile new phone service provider. Trump hat rausgegeben mein iPhone. Oder hat Stamm auch gekauft eins und hat darauf geslappt seine Nummer. So wie het tijd. Had dat slappity tappity type of mentality, you know. Kauft etwas, lijkt darauf een shine goldene emblem. Dan verkauft es voor 3 de prijs. BHBH. Nice. Gooi dat Yiddish. Everything good. CG, good morning. How you be? How you doing? Okay, CG. Okay. I'm going to have a save day. Yes. You definitely will. Just stay safe. Don't get complacent. Don't get complacent. Complacent is nicht kein gute Sache zu sein. They died like a dog. Beautiful dogs. Geht gut at this. Wat interessant, alle generals mit de scientists, sie haben gehad tabs auf jedem und boom. One day, alle zijn ze gestorben. Maar moet ze gehargert, technically. Let's be real. What is the status of the war now? Ich meine, es fliegt nur jetzt bei Nacht. Es kickt nicht aus, wie something crazy is happening. It was drones coming out of the Kurd region of Iraq. Somebody's wedding yesterday in the basement with no music. V in Israel? The sense by the baptism with Michelle as overhead. $9.15. Bitcoin is steady. Bitcoin regt sich nicht. Do a major movement. Know the private, alles geht's. It's a scene from Godfather 1. But just imagine the chain of command. But so hat me stam do Menschen von Iran, was haben found the Iranian leadership. Because the kick videos, Iran in the 70s and the 80s, Far Khoteini Maleni, whatever that they begin man. Then is again a beautiful country. And ook then the Frimme mee beginnen man. Dat is de probleem met Frimme. Be back in a minute.
חשבתי שבסוף את תחזרי ואז תגידי שאת מצטערת שהקפת את האור ואז גילית שאת מסתכלת אחרי כמה חודשים נראה היום הבנתי שאת לא חוזרת אני חשבתי
Ja, maar het is buiten en because the Frimme police. Ja. Joseph Rav mentioned that, wenn ich so Rav meine ich sagen, I don't know, habe ich gezählt, are tired. They don't want to live under such rules. Who's the winner so far in the war? Israel is definitely the winner. Definitely the winner. Definitely the winner. Just I feel if in the what they pulled off is like crazy stuff. Just that. Maar ik würde sagen, the problem is keinmal nicht the left or the right. The problem is always the Frimme. Vergesst nicht, Frimme sind the one was machen Bossbombers, Frimme sind the one was schlugen. Frimme sind always the problem. In any Zaat, in any Zaat, Frimme are always the... The whole Frimmkeit started 45 years ago. Sie haben rausgeworfen the Shah. They overthrew the Shah. Religious extremist, yes. Das heißt Frimme. Exactly. Yes, Martin. Zijn Frimme auf jenem Schäschben, suchen für jenem, wo sie dient. It's a big problem. The biggest problem is that. Ja, but the Frimme meinen auch, dass sie sind balanced. Es ist nicht so, wie sie weiß nicht. In Frimme ist auch eine Mentality. Sie spielt sich einmal gut aus. What is the status with Apple stock? Von die Nächten habe ich gesagt für einen, als sie kijkt aus wie Apple ist auf dem Weg herab. They're losing... Again, this is nicht kein financial advice. Just saying the idea. I think Apple is on the way down. They had their run. Red Kingdom. $9.22. So yeah. We darf geben einen Kick auf der eigene Life. Wie bist du der Frimmer? Und dort darfst du letten the screws loose. Do you think it will go down more? I don't know about the stock. Ich rede about the company. Und nicht dafür gekickt auf the stock. Ich habe nicht gekickt auf the stock. And I'm not saying today or tomorrow. I just think overall, there's no... Oh, God. I just think their innovations, their stuff, it's over. Meaning like, they dropped the ball with Apple so-called intelligence. Sie gehen rauskommen mit einem dünneren Phone, mit einem schnelleren Phone. It's like, Moishiem. Hello and welcome. How you doing? Als brecht 196, ich got financial advice, is 171. I think it was a nice run for them. I think, but I don't know what I'm saying. Sie sind schon rausgekommen mit Apple Intelligence and it sucks. Und jetzt muss ich sagen, ganze Update. Ich gewähne the glass. Besides if they have something so much up their sleeve that they will knock it out of the ballpark, which could be. I don't know. You never know. They do have over $1 trillion in cash or something. I'm not even sure. But sometimes Geld is nicht alles. Like, you have to have talent and you have to have a good environment. So I don't know. I really don't know. Wow, Tesla good jumping. Seltzer guy. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? How you be? You been fizzy? Huh? Maybe a little busy. Seltzer guy is fizzy. Making us all dizzy. Sorry, sit down mit Seltzer. $9.25. $4.88 again the high. Oh, je denkt de stock split. It's funny, wenn man halt mit als eine große company. So definitely in the golden zone. 9.27. This is in the golden zone. Ciao, Bella. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Man geht sich noch ein Tag aufwecken und das geht an $800, der Tesla. Jetzt bei War lohnt sich zu kaufen, okay, Viggy, sind nicht financial advice, aber Military-Sachen. Lucky Martin, die alle Sachen. Because ich eigentlich darf verkaufen eine Sache für Israel, zu Defenses. Und auch, think about my product, was is yes in the testing grounds. Like to defend our country. We'll be sick. 9.28. Seltzer guy, ich habe gesehen, die hast geliked a post of the Nachiyavo one mit, wie heißt der? Was lieb gerade am Post? Die Menschen sind schon jetzt, oh, ChatGDP. But, you ain't fooling me. Sind nicht kein ChatGDP, I believe. Schnell gekauft Insurance. There you go, you know? הילדים שלי. Pam 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 pam. Martin, du bist in Etzisruel jetzt? Wir darf noch sagen, ein Shelter jetzt in Etzisruel, oder man schon geliftet, the Shelter stay in place? $9.29. Noch, market's open. Thank you, alles gut. Viggy, what do you eat first meal every day? Chaimo felt a heavy lifestyle? Yes, he has to. What do I eat? Usually a bisschen protein, Eier, Tuna. Montag, Dienstag esse ich noch Fisch von Shabbos, so gefüllte Salmon. In Brooklyn, he works out every day. He has to. The Sache mit Coke, the Sache mit the alle drugs, that you could technically be on it. Technically, if it's high-grade stuff, and you work out, and you eat. The problem fängt sich an when you start losing money, or you don't have money to pay for the habit, then you go to the schwachere Sachen. So obviously you don't eat healthy anymore, you don't work out, you don't sleep. Hammer is still on coke? I believe so. I don't know. I don't want to say yes or no, but I think he still is, yes.
Here we go.
The entire Wall Street is sniffing on lunch break. The problem with drugs is as a desire get, and it's very, very good. You don't want to be good every day? Of course, people want to be good every single day. And then you want to be good in the morning, and then you want to be good at night. And at first, get is power. So get power, so get this. But then, reality hits in. So du bist dann immer noch. And then, you take one bag batch. And du bist tot auf dem toilet floor. And that's it. Maybe you should rip a line. I can help you focus the numbers. Oh, no, vergezi, yeah? Zemergit. I will stay away. I will stay away from those things.
כאן די-ג'יי נריה אנג'ל, ובאתי לעשות לכם קצת רעש. אתם מוכנים? אז יאללה! בואו ונשיר אל השמיים, וכל התפילות יאירו לנו את הבית, ונשיר אל השמיים, כולם כולם ברחבות עד שנעיר את המדינה בואו ונשיר אל השמיים בכל התפילות יהיו לנו את הבית ונשיר אל השמיים כולם
The problem is the erste Pumul is Samachaya, 10 Mal, 20 Mal. But then it's like, you become a slave to it. Hat nicht kein choice. He has to work out every single day. He has to eat healthy every single day. Es ist schwer zu sein, addicted and committed to a drug. Because the drug owns you. And you can't say no to the drug. Even if you think you could say no, you could not say no. And it also eats up your face. It also eats up everything. And that's your focus. Your whole life becomes focused on that. And you can't shake it, even if you want to. Everyone is glued to the devices for news. Yes. I get the channel Tzivatchen is agenda-free TV. It is I get. I deliver the Naya, set out live feeds. Whenever something crazy is live. Gaita live. Pa ba 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 ba. Pa pa ba ba pa 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 pa. But du Menschen was meinen, als wahr sei seinen up-to-date und sie etwas helfen in Israel. Let's not forget, you have your own life that you need to live. So please be, mindful of that. Es meint nicht, die kehrst nicht. Sein Glut zu a Screen, wissen jede Regel, wo es geschehen, meint nicht, die bist. Die cares, meint nicht, die nimmst care. Vergesst nicht, die hast a life, wo die das care nehmen. It's sad, you gotta try to do what you gotta do, but das ist eine von den Consequences of wohnen in Israel. I'm not saying it in a poo-poo way. I'm just saying it in the way, wohnst dort, da Medina geht in war. That's one of the consequences. And auch because of that, by the way, Kinder wachsen auf sach klieger, sach mature, because life and death is on the tip of the fingers. Mis mehr happier mit Sachen. Versus in Amerika, mis keinmal nicht happy. Wie viel man hat, will man noch. Gules Amerika. Man will noch, man will noch, man will noch. A ganze Zeit. They also have many times more people with personality disorder. Yeah, listen. Sie do consequences mit aller Sachen. There's always consequences. Lipa. Good morning, Lipa. Do we have a new guy here, Lipa? Bist nai du? Sag es mit der einnehmige, weiß ich nicht, sie bist nai, bist nicht. But du bist nai, welcome, welcome. Hello, Lipa to the chat. They're traumatized in a young age. Well, that's real life, by the way. Ins Leben wir du as a cushy life. As in Zweimer, as in Sommer nicht kann faxi. At least jene Trauma macht sense. For hundreds of thousands of years, the brain gewinnt sie gewohnt, sie haben zu defenden, Trauma mit den Sachen. All of a sudden, die Gäste es nicht. Es geht ja sichern Problems. That's why lebt man in einer Country, wie wie Menschen weiß nicht, die sind Sechurem oder eine Kaiwes, you know? Like, it's a normal progression. Hard times make good men. Good men make good times. Good times make weak men. Weak men make hard times. You know the cycle? And it's helped me do as good as in them weak. Because of the kicks daran, Menschen in Amerika sind eine Sache mehr ungezeugen than people in Israel. People over here are freaking out, but when sie kommt zu Menschen in Israel, da sind mit 3-4 Points Sache ruhiger. Like, yeah, we're going to the shelter. Ich bin auf einer Group, wie 2-3 Ire wohnen in Israel. Es ist interessant zu hören, wo sie reden. Like, okay, went down to the shelter. We just heard a boom. Da so viel News, es ist schwer mitzuhalten. Living life in Israel, kind of tough, I would say. But go to Yiddish, dort Menschen haben Massach kein, wenn es kommt jetzt ist Ruhe. Man enjoyt mehr the moments. Du in Amerika greift man sich zu den Moments, was sind nicht du the Moments. Yehuda, v'chot Yerushalayim, l'chayim, l'moradayim, l'shichat, l'kol kala. Yes. All right. In the Metzedik. I had echt gezocht, like, I think it was 11 people who then ingekomen. Ik ken dan had je naar trap meer. Hope not. Maar we hebben gezocht. Kiwi lucky me is. Only 11 people passed away. And most probably a few of them just died on the way down. Like van nerveuskeit or the, you know, the hartje overgegeven. Is ze gevlogen met 300 ballistic missiles. It's just crazy. By the way, ik heb gitanajas. Over the weekend ben ik geworden notified als ik bekomen een package to the address. So, we gaan this guy bald aufpicken. En we maken een unboxing video. I really do appreciate it. So you can see clients so fitten in the box. So, without going to the counter. In Zintig zijn ze van macht. So, yes. Papa, da-da. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-da-dee-da-da. Od Avinu, Od Avinu, Od Avinu Chai. Am Israel Chai. Am Israel, Am Israel, Am Israel Chai. Am Israel, Am Israel, Am Israel Chai. Am Israel, Am Israel. 3, 2, 1, go. Panamin allow. Panamin la 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 la. Panamin la la la. Panamin la la. Die guys aan gezellige. Nog when the war is over. Oeh, de oorlog guys aan relief. De oorlog guys aan zo doen. Sam. Good morning, Sam. 19 likes, alaboket. Nice. Punish get kicked. So thank you. Thank you, Sam, for the info. How are you, Sam? Welcome. Guten Sie Morgen. Wie Sie gewähnt an Shabbos, wie Sie gewähnt an Weekend? Doch zieh schnell von mir. Man darf machen die Shabbos und the Weekend für 2 Wochen lang. That's it. Zu wem darf man reden? Welcher Manager darf man reden, doch? Delio, Johnny, Johnny, Tevno.
מודה אני לך כל בוקר אור,
תן להיות הנר יש בו,
תמיד באמונה שלמה,
תן להיות
אבא תן לי אור, תן לי אור.
Pam para pa pa para pa 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 para pa pa para pa 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 para pa. Sie macht nicht du, was regt sich. It's crazy. Sam, you having any luck on your side? Niet helemaal close to V-Web, Sam. Ken ons een Monday morning, so de oilem is een bisschen Monday-ish. Sage. I would say this is an acquisition. Buyout offer, yes. Come on, ילדים. עלינו כמו ילדים, בוא נביא על תעזר. תן לנו אור ושמחת נעורים, תן לנו גם לאהוב.
יאללה קדה על הטול חביבי, לא חייב להיות מסטול, יא סידי, איזה לילה מחכה לנו רק וואי וואי דינניי, אוי יא חביבי, אוי יא חביבי, אוי יא חביבי, אוי יא חביבי. איזה מסיבת צרחות, כל מבאים, לבושים במסכות, אווירה של החיים. אני בא כמו מכונה, לעשות לכם שכונה, מועדון או חתונה, עוד אליי תסחפלה. יאללה קדה על הטול חביבי, לא חייב להיות מסטול, יא סידי, איזה לילה מחכה לנו רק וואי וואי דינניי, אוי יא חביבי, אוי יא חביבי, אוי יא חביבי, אוי יא חביבי.
Wir gefunden uns das Swardische Music, ja?
אוי יא חביבי, אוי יא חביבי, אוי יא חביבי.
Pow. Penny G. Good morning. How are you? Wie Sie gehen an Shabbos, wie Sie gehen an Weekend? Es Hashem. Habe getroffen in Dubai. The Love Lake. This is the solar farm. And this is our heating tower. This is alles mirrors. And this is solar. And this is the Love Lake. Come on. Kijk naar Love Lake. Come on. Loveland Cafe. Daughter's graduation. Mazel tov. Only see nache bruche v'atzlocha. Oh, soll man sagen water fountains? Kick on their love legs still. Come on. Very cool. Klein effects. Did it on the line, did it on the line, did it on the line. Did you graduate high school? Or the preschool? Huh? Or the kindergarten? Or the daycare? Nice, high school. Mazel tov. Dan zijn we met Mazel in Brugge. Zo nur bringen good news all the time. Did you get to see Freddy Wiesel when after the most it? Nope. Die channel kippt davon nicht herauf auf mein feed. Aber das geht mal check aus. Die Sache mit Friday Wiesel, der channel ist gemacht worden für Outsiders herankicken dich. She has a job lined up next year. Nice. Ich bin gewesen ein Paar für 3 Jahre.
Yes, I requested this.
Sie ist jetzt darauf gelegt, ein Tag zurück und sie hat 8300 Views. Sie müssen mal ein Interview. Ante Montag, sie sagt schon, okay, we'll see. Weil ich will hören, was hat zu sagen, nach Tula Mauster. I want to make sure I know what he's saying. Ich will wissen, sie ich agree mit ihm oder disagree mit ihm auf Sachen. Afternoon, Master. Let me say close. Camera close. Empathetic. Ich habe noch technically noch kein Mal nicht gehört seinen Points of View. To be honest. So, ich will sehen. So, sie geht das mir das gesucht. I want to review it. In short, he wants... Well, there's a line himself with it. Sag mal, wenn die das Fuel für the rocket, das du Sachen, was brennen. So, sie können sagen, otherwise nobody would listen to him. I don't know. We'll see. Ich will es reviewen. I'll put it on the queue to review. Because jetzt kann ich reden von seiner actual situation, was will. La 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 la. Haters are the biggest believers. Okay, the Alamina lines go to Yiddish. It's just flingers, just zingers, you know, just zaboom, zaboom. In the dame must be you, because if they didn't believe, they wouldn't take it seriously. I hear you, but whatever. Whatever, we're gonna keep it that way. We're gonna keep it civil. Imari baboiker chazdecha. $10:02. We want a bisschen paar Leuten doing the map. Viggy, get back. So ja, so gerade wollen wir gehen aufpicken the mail, was sie gekommen. Und wenn ihr will schicken, etwas muss öffnen bei der Unboxing. Ich habe gepinnt the address oben. So whatever you feel like. Schick etwas and we'll open it up. Einer hat gefragt, sich einmal schicken allein Sachen in das Effen. Und so ich habe, weil kann ich suchen, als ich liegen. Wollte schon geheim gewesen in einer besseren Platz. Aber weil ich keine suchen kann liegen, bin ich wie ich bin. So yeah, we're not gonna do none of that. In order to gain some influence, we have to understand the context. That's the only way. Ich habe nicht kein bad look auf ihm. Ich habe gearbeitet für einen, wo es gewinnt ein Arzt mit jenem. Ich bin eigentlich for education for the system. I mean, for Kinder. So, going for education. So, bin ich mit ihm. And I never listened to him really. I never. But doing the interview, I'll listen to it tonight. And if he says something good, I will be on his side. And if he says something wrong, and I could call him out, I will call him out. 100% I will call him out. Welcome to the party. But ich bin big in for education. Education is always number one. Always.
Un, dos, tres, dale.
So yeah, I'm actually excited to hear some points of view. You know, a kid's brain can be molden. I mean, it doesn't give him education.
Dale, dale, chico, por favor. Ándale, ándale, ándale. Un, dos,
Are you not afraid of hate? You could agree with Moster. Why would I be afraid of the hate? I mean, ich will nicht hate. Ich gehe nicht heran, oh, let me buy hate. But if he has a point, he has a point. In fertig. If he brings out a point and he kannst es nicht defuten mit Wörter, then was hab ich finden an hate? Hate stuff. Enjoy your hate. And hate is usually a mechanism because you don't know how to deal with it, so you hate it. And I'm sorry. And the thing is, over here, I really don't know his positions. So I'm kind of lucky. Meaning, ich kann existing situations. Ich kann nicht ich miss an auf seine Seite, ich miss an auf jener, ich bin nicht an auf keinem Seite. Simcha Rez. Good morning. How you doing, Simcha? Welcome. How was your Shabbos? How was your weekend? Your day is good. Nice. I'm glad. I'm glad your day is good. Weet ich sitze sag mal auf Google Maps and ich zoom around in islands and man sieht Menschen wohnen auf certain islands and I'm thinking like they have nothing with the outside world. Gar nicht. Isaac. Good morning, Isaac. How you be? How you doing? Making some money on Okay, hello, nice. Good for you. Good for you, my man. John 316. Good morning, good morning. Wo titzer? Hello and welcome. Thoughts on CRO, meaning Khanish kam thoughts. Can we check the aan? John, can we check the aan? Wie haben das hier von dich zu hören? Can we check that out, John? Can we check that out? Das geht nicht für das. Sie du hast selber von was ich frage, ja? Und wo soll ich den adios as a position? Ah? Wo soll ich den? Ich hoffe, die hast die größte, riesige Position. Ich hoffe, die macht das auch, gell? Friday was the side as you said. Should have been lively than this. Zusammen mit Masel in Brugge. Talk about a call out, Isaac, huh? Die hast etwas gegen jemand? Besides für mich herauskommen? Thank you, John. A gentle like, wat ook het gemeen gaat. Maar van wie checks dat aan, John? Wie hebben we dus hier? Als John zal eraan checken.
Alles heet. DJ Neria Angel. אהלן אהובים שלי, כאן די-ג'יי.
Film wie checks the around. Just I to do a tangent. Ich habe getroffen mal Island. Kick on. Nowhere. Miese Weise hier. Wer wohnt dort? Wieso kommt man nun dort? Say to the airport. A 4.3 star. 421. This is a hotel. China Hotel. Darf ich hinfahren? Ich weiß nicht, was ich habe, so eine Fascination, weil es kommt zu like random Plätze. Das ist nur Sache Hotels. I don't know if I was a fascination. Und sie do noch ein kleiner Island in the neighborhood. Okay, this is inhabited. Wow. I should do a ganze tribes. Who knows? Pacific Rim Islands. Siebzehn Menschen. Der Britisch sind umgekommen. Of course sind der Britisch umgekommen. Scheiner Remboki. (1953). Was ist der Nägel? Landed by Dave and Lee Byrne in 1989. Kenn ich die auch? Oh, the Prince and the Princessa. The Queen and the Imam. HMS Bounty. Also ist man nach ihm gefahren, Amo. Gein sehen Sachen, gein teen Sachen. Crystal Cave. It's cool. Ah, pizzeria. Ich will nicht du kann als official roads. I don't know about you, but die Sachen machen mir excited. Dort darf man dann hinfahren. Für mich ist mehr exciting zu gehen visiten nach solche random islands wie gehen zu der größte Seven Days Church Adventures, of course. It's the church that made it. Baron, hello. How you doing? Ah, kijk on the island. Oh, I kijk on the airport. How are you, Baron? How is Papa doing? Being funny. Wow, de kind staat op doef in de... Kannst du filmen stemmen kan? Card. Oh, is du ein host. En die müssen dann nehmen ein Schiff around to the town. Kommst du von der Airport und müssen nehmen ein Schäfel. Also ein Shed, ein Mensch wollen du wie, wo es werden. Oh. Talk about being alone. Talk about being alone in the world. Nog 3-4 huizen. Talk about a small community. People, thank you. We will komen travelen dorten. Ah, we willen doen naar construction. Dit kijkt dus meer weer upscale plaats. Zeggen, mensen gaan daar heen. Otherwise they wouldn't have hotels en zo. Wie heißt es dort jetzt? French Peninsula. It's into the French. Kijk on the host. One guy, one situation, point of the ganze island. Kijk on the alle islands dus. In Dudu Airport. Rio Airport. Kiko, not town. Shukan pools in their town. Oh, ein tower for radio, solar. Gas. Dit zijn de dagen met daarvoor is fuel. Deze Toyota. The same mate Terry. I put something in my back. I have terrible pain. I can't move. I see stars. Oi vai. Damien de stars in nicht geht, especially mitten Tag. Die bist aber okay. Chaim. Good morning. Was Sam, wie ist das geschleppt? Hast du etwas geschleppt oder ist es geschehen aus der Gebeugung der wrong Weg? Ah, du hast das Cemetery. Badum ist am jeder eine kennt sich. I don't know, I get very moved by these things. Sie sehen die kleine Islands. Trip shrooms and you'll see real stars. Come on, go ahead, Yiddish. We don't promote drugs. Or mind-altering substance. It should be watched. I lifted up something the wrong way, I guess. Oy vey. Sam. Your back is telling you, don't pick up things the wrong way. Oh, dit staat ook at the airport. Kijk, we hebben dan beachfront property, all of them. Don't do drugs, kids, yes. Stay in school. Terrible. Oy vey, Sam. I'm sorry. Couldn't them ibuprofen. Couldn't them ibuprofen. What I'm looking at is just maps in the French islands in the... This is this. Inter Hawaii. I don't know why I have Michigan fascinations with their kleine islands. Dat moet je doen. Wie wil je doen? Wo is when wie welke? Call a chiropractor. ASAP. I'll be back in a minute. So, I'm back. Digga digga dum bum bida bada bidi bum bidi bidi bum bum bum. So yeah, so kick of islands. I'm a chicken of fascination. Don't know what it is exactly. King George Islands? Who gave him permission to call it that? What's this? Okay, we should do one mention. Now do Epstein Island. Wie is Epstein's Island? St. Lucia's, Dominica. I don't think he was such a visa hostess. I'm starting to believe as Stam Gawain blues. Stam bluesen. Because let's be real. As er got anything, wollte schon lange rausgekommen. If he was so smart. He was just a wealthy guy. This is the one-stop shop, Hebra. The one-stop shop. If you guys are ever upset at our stories ausgelaufen von etwas, this is the one-stop shop of one of these islands. Okay, so before you freak out, this is what it is. One-stop shop. Just letting you know. Go to India, see if you find a place without garbage on the street. But India is ook het zaaie groot. Any random place. Andere cultures, andere mine. Pro King Academy. Cricket. Bruh. Kijk naar Cricket Academy. Ja. Top rated. Vamos in de top rated. Amen, amen, ידעים שלי. Okay, that's nice. Shine it here. Dates. Wow, kijk on the stars. Sally. Guten Sie Morgen, Sally. How you doing? Oh wait, there's Kukupaka. Look, Maldives. Maldives lot nicht But for some reason, they private islands. No, we're watching islands over here. Get back here, because I do. Like in the middle of nowhere. Like this, like. Why? Who? And why? Like, är det ett problem med vem? Like just a random dot on the globe. Like, that's where I want to go. If anybody wants to come. Ooh, there's the Maldives. The Maldovskis. Here. It's like a puck. Check to see if the triply. If it's not triply, you gotta try again, you know? Look at this. Look at this puck size. And there is a skill. Oh, it was a skill. Oh, look, it's over. Oh, look at this. But it's gotta have steak. Keep on the shadow there. Okay, look at this. So now I feel like you on roads. Who is single? The Maldives? The nicest girls? Good at Yiddish. She's swooping in. She's single? She's single? Brooklyn came. Does she have a sister? Brooklyn is with the prying eyes. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Okay, this is some fancy schmancy. But the Maldives is Muslim countries, no? British Indian territory. This is British. Oh, look, military. See? V is hold on. Sentinel Island. There's, why is it blurry, huh? MCETS. Hello. Today we have a lot of likes. Family B. The oilem is feinand. The oilem is good. V is India. Hold on. I'm on the wrong side of the map. I'm on the wrong right of the map. Abba Melech Haolam. The whales are embarrassed. The whales like, no, I don't look good. I don't look good at camera. But the Maldives is tired Tzigain. Like, it's been explored in a sense. He is the Sentinel Island. They do an island with the Indian government lot Shahingan. This is a Hawaii. Oh, look. Shel Kulam. Hold on, nobody lives there? Ist der Airfield. Wo's, wenn, wie, wer weiß? Melech haolam. Melech haolam, Melech haolam. Where are these roads going to? And who built them? Oh, see, look. Who? This is the airport. 2 airports in this island. Church, of course. Oh, the Church of Jesus Christ. Ooh, look at the paintings. See, like, look at these people. Like, where? How? Melech haolam. More widespread than Lubavitch. They bring the light and some fight. Know what I'm saying? Like, who lives like this? Look at this. Like, that's where I want to go check out. An undesirable place. JMB store. They sell bananas. Look at this. They bring the darkness. All right, all right. We will not argue, Sally, over that. Christmas Island Lodge. Look at this. Look at this fish that he caught. Hold on. Look at this fish. Isn't this the typical beach picture? He has liquid glass fish, yeah. Come gesehen der neue. Oh, look at this, the same dude. Look at this shark. He caught a shark, my man. Weiß ich wegen Yeshiva, but just going over there, like, to see it. Look at this fish. The fish is like, are you putting me on the internet? No, it was shot for my shidduch. All the fish is gonna click on it. It's gonna be fishy. Come on. Look at this fish. The fish is, look at the mouth of the fish. Hold on, let me see if I'm blocking you guys. I'm blocking it. Look at the mouth of the fish. It's shocked for seeing a person for the first time. This is more a calm fish. He knows he's gonna go back into the Wasser. Oh, yo, No, but this fish you don't eat, I presume. I had no idea why I just said that, but he's... This is all in the Christmas lodge thingy here. I don't know why I get so fascinated, but I do. It's like, vos, wie? Look at this. Fuel, Mr. Dort, is expensive. Another, look at this. Another place. Ooh. This is typical, this is fake. Nah, fine. Ja. Oh, this is the modest hotel. And why would you share a photo of your daughter just on the internet like that? Like, Bobby? Tiriram. We hebben hem aan het earbuds. It's not that far off then. I didn't watch it yet, Sally. Tonight we're watching, what's her name? Friday Wiesel. Vijay mag geld. I didn't watch it, so I don't know. People give him money for his presence to be places. Ba, ba, la, la, la. He said it blackmails people. Wall Street is closed. He's playing the system well. He's playing the system very well. He's pretty normal. Yeah, er versteht sein Game. Er versteht sein Game, you know. Friday Wiesel with Naftali Molster. No, it is wat van stupid, Brooklyn. Friday Wiesel had interviewed with Naftali Molster. He is the guy from, he's like, I don't remember the organization he's with. He's about education, Yafet. And it will be interesting to see what he's saying, because I never really heard from him. It's interesting. I don't see pools in this neighborhood in the island. Did you ever see the interview with Hasidic powerlifter? No. Ich habe gesehen auf Instagram, wenn ich gehad jealous gram, als sie do a Hasidische powerlifter, but not for me. Ist es eine neue oder eine alte für den Friday Wiesel? Ah, habe gesehen, okay. 8 days ago, okay. Penny, when you find the definition, let us know, please. But yeah, so this was my guy to reviewing the. Oh, it's the title is Why I Left Hasidic Education Activism. Oh, he left. Okay, that means he's gonna talk more freely. That's nice. Kolkala. Ah, de Zeiger hat sich geregt. Pretty quick, pretty quick. Kama lecha nafshi, kama lecha besari. Kama lecha nafshi, kama lecha besari. Kama lecha nafshi. Ich habe es nicht gehört. Lass mir das geben, aber soll ich es jetzt aussehen? For some reason bin ich kein Yiddish-Fan. Ich habe gesehen den Link. Lass mir das geben mal hier raus. For some reason bin ich nicht echt ein Yiddish-Fan. He never really caught me. But Yiddish hat rausgegeben an einigen. Das heißt, Aviol Anachno. 453 views one day. 623 views. Let's listen to it.
אבל אנחנו בני אברהם אוי הפכו אבל אנחנו זרע יצחק יחידוי אבל אנחנו עדס יעקב בנך בחייך אבל אנחנו בני אברהם אוי הפכו אבל אנחנו זרע יצחק יחידוי אבל אנחנו עדס יעקב בנך בחייך שמאהב אותך שאהבתו איסוי ומשמחו שיחו ששמחתו בוי שמאהב אותך שאהבתו איסוי קורסו אס שמו ישראל שמאהב אותך שאהבתו איסוי ומשמחו שיחו ששמחתו בוי שמאהב אותך שאהבתו איסוי קורסו אס שמו ישראל
Ba-da-ba-ba.
אבל אנחנו בני אברהם אוי הפכו אבל אנחנו זרע יצחק יחידוי אנחנו עדס יעקב בנך בחייך שמאהב אותך שאהבתו איסוי ומשמחו שיחו ששמחתו בוי
Brooklyn, the sound Zaire typical.
שמאהב אותך שאהבתו איסוי קורסו אס שמו ישראל שמאהב אותך שאהבתו ומשמחו שיחו ששמחתו בוי שמאהב אותך שאהבתו איסוי קורסו אס שמו ישראל
I don't know. It doesn't excite me. Brooklyn, it doesn't excite me. Ich habe es jetzt ausgehört. Ich trachte in der Backle. Zusammen mit seinem Schwer. Ja, alles geht. Ich darf noch reviewen, der zweite und der dritte. Ich habe beide auf mein E-Mail. Cute. So I got it both. Buttons haben wir gechanged, and jetzt gehen wir reviewen the Friday Wiesel one.
אני רוצה לראות פה אנשים שמזיעים כי יש כאן אחלה מסיבה, אנחנו מודיעים אף אחד לא יוצא, תסגרו את הדלתות כל הבר פתוח, כולם להתחיל לשתות אני רוצה לראות פה אנשים שמזיעים כי יש כאן אחלה מסיבה, אנחנו מודיעים
Eli is a great... Was he good? But his voice doing it. He never caught me. I never... Nein, alles geht's. Friday Wiesel one. Ay, 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 die Boden Tovim. Die Boden Tovim. Finley. Ta-da! I believe you die, I believe you die, I believe. Yeah, bye, 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 bye. Yeah, she's walking around there. She's on the ground. She's sleeping. She got like a little jumpy. Ba-da-ba-da-da-ba-da-da-ba-da-da-ba.
אדמה ושמיים, חום האש, אני מרגיש זאת בגופי, ברוחי, בנשמתי. אדמה ושמיים, חום האש, צליל המים,
אני מרגיש לפי ונכים וישנה. Nein, alles gut. I haven't got the time. Shulam. Good morning, Shulam. Hello and welcome. How you be? How you do? Hey, 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 oh.
תאיר אותי באור גדול, אור גדול. אם הגעת עד לכאן הזמן הגיע, הלב פושט ידיו חיכה רק שתופיע. כאן באור גדול, חל יכול, נשמה בוכה עוד לא לחזור אליך, לפני
Don't worry, Chaim.
ונתחבר לאור. מתי יבוא היום שיגמר ולא נדע כל מה שהיה? מתי יבוא היום שתישאר כאהבה בינינו? וכמו ילד לא יכול עוד לחכות, לקבל את השכינה באור פניך, והלב כמה חזק שעוד יהיה את תפילותיך. תאיר אותי באור גדול, אור גדול.
Alles gets why would it be affected? But no.
הלב פושט ידיו חיכה רק שתופיע. כאן באור
Sadly, I got you, Sadly. I got you. There's no worries. Helping people, I'll lend a hand.
הנשמה בוכה עוד לא לחזור אליך, לפני שנתקן ונתחבר לאור.
DJ
זאת השמחה שלנו, הגיעו כל החברים, נביא עוד כמה ילדים אינשאללה. זאת השמחה שלנו, כולם בעננים, אז תרימו את הידיים, יאללה. איזה לילה איתה, איזה לילה.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. 11:09. We're not doing no crime.
זאת השמחה שלנו, הגיעו כל החברים,
People don't like coming to the club.
זאת השמחה שלנו,
I got you, Khan.
תרימו את הידיים, יאללה.
It is my pleasure. I'm sorry, I realized that one of these days I found it so fun. Don't be sorry. Happy Father's Day. For alle Gitte Tatas. Thank you, alles Gits van de mannen, yes. Just by the fact that I can't should be a Gitte Tata. So we appreciate and thank all the good dads for being great and awesome. Bada. Some fathers learning the first time. Darf sich eine ganze Zeit lernen. Man darf ewig trying zusammen besser. Never give up. And always be able to change your ways when die weiß geworden, die bist strong. Which a lot of people don't have sometimes. Sadly. We don't accept this type of talks here. And it didn't mean it in dumbed down like that. It meant to say that some people like it more stretched out and some people like it more down to the point. Yes, Chaim. Thank you. Yes. For all the good dads that are trying to be good. Brooklyn. Sally. Penny G. Sally. A progressive Father's Day, if you know what I'm saying. Hey, Father, the first time. No. Volvi. Good morning, Volvi. Haven't seen you in a minute there. Welcome. Happy Viggy. Good that you got it. We don't let people bring themselves down. Only I am allowed to. Nur ich meg. Listen to my conference as ich. Sally, don't remind Brooklyn. You know what I mean? Don't remind him. He comes here for a little time. You know what I mean?
מילה שלנו יש לכם מה לחכות אמרו ברדיו תחזרו למסיבות על השולחן יש לנו ליטר לפחות ישראלים לא אוהבים כוסות ריקות תגיד לברמן שאם הוא נותן כבוד אז שיהיה מלא לי עוד שיהיה מלא לי
עוד
אז שיהיה מלא לי עוד שיהיה מלא לי עוד אז שיהיה מלא לי סטטיק בין אלנים זה לילה קיצוני של מזרחית עם ראש פתוח שלום עלי אבי מצב רוח קרבי זו מלחמה לא זמן לנוח זה לילה של חשמל אני נהייתי מבולבל נשבע שעוד שנייה יוצא ממני מהוואל too much סחחי מילה שלנו יש לכם
It's too much.
אמרו ברדיו תחזרו למסיבות
דף היום במקום שפן, always behind it down.
ישראלים לא אוהבים כוסות ריקות. תגיד לברמן שאם הוא נותן כבוד.
3, 2, 1, go. Good one, Chaim. But die kennst die alle figure eights, dat is een marieftes. Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Long life today, yes. I'm feeling okay, I'm feeling good. The conversation is going. Joelem enjoyed this. I'm going to schlafen echt free, to be honest. And I feel grateful. And I want to say thank you for everybody for being here. Is like missing a credit card payment. Sally, you saw the video about Avodah Zura that someone called in BYD, whatever the name is. He's saying that he wants to do the biggest Avodah Zura. My pleasure, Chaim. Happens to be hot as I get to talk, so I feel good. So. It was just funny the way how he was saying it. Like, I wanted to get the biggest Avodah Zura, to do the full Avodah Zura. Iran's army forces issues. No, the Iranian army and forces issued an evacuation order of Bnei Barak. I don't know. Let me see if that guy is live. Pam pam para para pam 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 para para. Ooh. What do I say about the war? It's not technically war. I mean, it's war, but it's a rule hagadaft aros neman a neighboring country, neighbor from a neighbor, because they were vowing a ganze Zeit mit the rhetoric as a will naru bringen Israel. They want to wipe them out. So if you have a country that wants to wipe you out, it's a bit neter zenuk. You don't want to just mess around. So they did what they needed to do. With the Americans' help, they were playing around. Trump gave them 60 days. It was 61st day. And they were cocking around. and that Yisrael is sehr clever, and they used all their assets. Not all, I mean, like a lot of their assets. They killed all the scientists. They killed all the... most of the... not all, but most of the generals, and they're retaliating. Zij schießen zurück. But the amount of people that have... von den Israelis, die sind gestorben, versus wie viel sie haben geschossen, is a sad joke. Number-wise. Nicht as one man doesn't count. One life is not important. But when the guys in war, you have to be realistic. Ze gaat komen 300, 400 ballistic missiles. You're not expecting 0 deaths. And to have so little deaths, that's even crazier. That shows the power of Israel, all that thing, all the technology. Aaron. Good morning, Aaron. How you doing? Welcome. Thank you for all the likes, Hevna. I really do appreciate it. I'm excited to gaan aufpicken the package, was umgekommen in the mail. Also können wir machen ein Unboxing. Intercepted. I feel like when they hit a building, you would think like 300, over 300 missiles, 300 rockets, or whatever the size. You would think it would be more damage. The question is, what's geschehen to the facility, the nuclear facility in Iran that supposedly they keep bombing? Afghanistan hat gesagt, dass sind zusammen mit Iran. It's raw uranium. Well, they gotta enrich it. Oh, man kann machen a joke. The reason Israel hat so schnell uranium enriched, because the Jews are enriched. So they just have to touch it, and they enrich it. Wie groß ist Kuwait? Wow, guck mal, die High-Rise ist in Kuwait.
לבושים במסכות, אווירה של החיים. אני בא כמו מכונה, לעשות לכם שכונה, מועדון או אתונה, all day like is חפלה. יאללה קדה על הטול חביבי, לא חייב להיות מסטול, יסידי, איזה לילה.
Gott, es ist schon Zeit, dass man soll dort machen, gehörige Relationships. Und fertig. It's time to move forward. I think it's time. Weil die Menschen, was wohnen, let's say, do by the corner between, like literally of the borderlines. How did they feel? Like, oh, barbecue restaurant. 3.8 star of the Syrian side. Panamara. Oh, barbershop. 4.4. Come on, 4.4 barbershop. Rabbi Nachman El pa 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 pa.
הוא עבד את השם בשמחה, לא הייתה לו דקה מנוחה. הוא הבטיח שמי שיבוא אליו הוא יתקן לו את הנשמה. אז נסענו בראש השנה, כל החבר'ה מהשכונה, ומאז שחזרתי הביתה לכאן נשאר על רבינו נחמן.
Rabbi Nachman, עמך בעולם. זה מריע זו in Ukraine. עמך בעולם. They corner. How come I gebaut dort a building? Nein. Hold on. Du bin ich angestanden an 1 Uhr. Chaim Israel ist angestanden da. Parabapap.
אתם מאזינים לסט הדתי, חורף 2025.
25.
חיים סרוסי, די-ג'יי, רועי ארוש. Starbucks coffee.
We don't say let's party, we say מחשבות.
טובות, ay, 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 ay.
אני לא שומע דיבורים טובים, נו. נו, 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 מחשבות טובות.
Didi la la la. Ah, wie heißt der? Laszlowski. Digga digga da, ho, ha.
מוכנים? 1, 2, let's go!
Yes, I do remember the old times. What a time it was. Esse pushkanat. Pushkanat. This is Oman. Oman in Ukraine. This is the Tzion. Right here. This one is the Tzion. This is the main street called Pushkanat. This is the Große Klois. This is the Shiel, what's his name? Yoli Roth Rebbe. And this whole area is Oman. I mean, did he go since the war? Ich bin schon gegangen vor the war. Ich bin gegangen 6 Jahre, and it's not for me anymore. It's not for me. Marosh, yes, Marosh, yeah. Mein erste Jahr bin ich angestanden, du bei der Konet. 2, 3 Jahre später bin ich angestanden, du. En nog de letzte 3 uur ben ik aangestaan door. Wie is this? Hold on. When were you, no man? I was there 6 years. 6 jaren. Hold on, where is that? Somewhere here. Oh, here. Right here. In this building for 3 years. Een second. Penny heeft me deze gecheckt. Yiddish mame, ba mai biste. Mame ben ik in Heilige Mame, Yiddish Mame. Paravara Pagal Yisroel. 14, 15, 16, 2000, those years. In de leg van de lachter, machste me lachter, mijn leven. Very nice. Very nice. Penny, yes, sie geworden sei commercial, so hat sich gechanged. De eerste 3 uur ben ik gegangen auf my own will, meaning like I wanted to be there. En ik ben geweest bij Mandira, walking to the what's his name over here to the Kaiver and back. Like I wasn't really paying attention there. Like, laat maar zijn, zo op een street view. But the last 3 years, ben ik gegangen dort en arbeiten. I went to work. Laat maar zijn, hold on. Oh, and they host me. Oh, wow, it's a große building. This was my first year, and they do in their garage. Cool. The video is in the shelter, yeah, the zingen. So yeah, I was in this house. Some roos gedingen the hose, and some roos gedingen the main house. We were like, I think, 30 guys. En doet man er ook gewakt zitten zien. And then the last 3 years, it was here in this house. 13. No, the first 3 years, nobody pressured me in the ganze 6 years. The first 3 years ben ik gegangen van mijn eigen, let's call it, my spiritual reason that I wanted to go. The line is for the Kahanim. The yellow line is the Kahanim. And then the last 3 years ben ik gegangen arbeiten dorten. So someone paid me my stay, my flight, and I went to work. I had a picture of it. Hold on. So I gave out about 15,000. Hold on. Lass mal sehen, sich kennen, denke ich, Vasen. So I gave out about 15 to 20,000 food for people. That's why I went. The first 3 years, ja, but I feel tired. I felt very spiritual. The first 3 years was, I mean, the first year, okay, these are alta pictures. This is in 2015. It's totally changed. You do riesige buildings. It's not like this anymore. Oh, this is the year I went. So the first year I went, well, I would say about an inch off the ground. But then the last year wasn't so. And then the fourth year, I got offered, whatever, to leave Sibus. I got offered to go to work there. And I was like, you know what? Wow, they ganze corner to do a store, do total different. I was working, giving out food. Tigena tent was supposed to give food. And I was the guy taking the food, the box, and giving it to people. So every year I gave out about 15,000 portions of food. That's it. Today there's like huge buildings here. It doesn't look remotely like this anymore. I'm not walking on eggshells. I'm just not. I'm just not. No, sharing information that doesn't need to be shared. So, but after 3 years, I was done. I was Badonsky with that. there was no need for me to go. Du hat man sich geschlagen auf Steak. Over here is the Starbucks thing. On my third year, du hat man sich geharget for steak. I didn't even know what's going on. Everybody was pushing and this gate almost came off. This is Londo's place. Cops used to stand by this corner, the roadblock. Now there is a mikveh over here. There's a huge building with a mikveh, the ganze Sache. Alles is hand private mikvehs mit Fleisch, mit all that. MCTS, for me then, it stays for your whole year. It changes you, it changed me as a person, you know. But now, ich will nicht reden for jetzt. Like, I don't know. Down this street, I found a 93-year-old French guy, didn't know nothing. And he was sleeping with a group of guys. He just knew one thing, he has to be in Uman for one Rosh Hashanah. I don't know what happened with him, but I have a picture of a kid sitting right there. I don't know exactly. Who got steak and who got chicken? Politics, my man. Narishkeiten. You go for wine. You go for all these things? No, but they go... Whatever. People are people. Not gonna lie. Not gonna... This is Sophia Park, named after a king's, or I don't know the right word is. Seine Tochter hat man gehargert, weil es Hunger immer für die Jiden. And there's the entrance for Sophia Park, right here. Man hat ihn gehargert, weil gewähnt, geht zu den Jiden. And they killed him. They killed the daughter. Sadly, not the real deal, okay? Then it was more, ich denk, bei ein Corner, ich gewähne eine Gruppe von ältere Menschen, und sie haben gehabt, to see certain people, because they said they killed the whole thing, because it used to be, when wir gegangen, as everybody was one, and they didn't care about food and stuff, and now everybody cares about food, so... It's a shtickle killer. This is most probably Brooklyn, a backpack. Einer mit a backpack hat gewacht. Google hat Menschen mit backpacks, mit a camera. Haben wir sehen, man sieht es auf the ground. No. Okay, they took it out. It's in, you know. So they'll be off the Google car just in a backpack. Okay, Sandy. Okay, whatever I say. Okay. See, you can see the excitement. See? And look at the camera she has. Noch Jeka cell phones. Nobody's on the cell phones. This is in 2015. See? They're all waving. They all could be dead now with the war. Ich bin in Sophia Park now. Am Israel Chai. Humble. Nuchi, how you doing? How's it going? Kann ich updaten, du? How does it affect? You talking about me personally? I changed a lot of my I want to be very respectful here. I changed my positions on a lot of things. Let's put it that way. So if I change my positions, there's certain things that changed. Dodging missiles. As if you're dodging it like, whew. You're doing all that karate moves. See, they're all waving.
לאבא שלי יש סולם, מגיע עד סוף העולם. תטפס בן אדם, תציג את החבל. ואבא חולם
Oh, yeah. You just gave it away.
אדם לכף זכות, שהגוף מוותר בקלות.
Then, MCTS, yo, demons had das gelast. Like, you felt it through the whole year. So, you gave him chayshik, so you gave him... It's also, when a chuset kimt fin a chassidas, was get nicht gunisht. You know? Chassidas han get nicht gunisht. So, it's like dried vessels, and all of a sudden you fill something up with joy and love and happiness, and du bist okay, man tanzt. And it's okay the way you are, and that doesn't mean you don't have to grow. All that combined, it like really... You know what I mean? So get that fill around, and it doesn't require you to change. So nicht so wie man darf unten wenn sagt man will werden nach Wischnitzer, darf change ins andere Wisch. When I get it will werden nach Wischnitzer, darf change. So it's like a lot of commitment, but Breslov is as a filler, you know? It goes in whatever, any shape die willst, it fits into your life. Exactly, Sally. That is the beauty. Noch hier, hast gesehen, any So yeah, MCTS. It's it is a fuel for life, and it shows also that with the Hasidus Gednish. But for me, as they say, the ship has sailed. I also didn't know I was wired that way. Until I went. Ah, you're also doing like small side hustle mitzvahs, huh, Humble? If we're in pain, let's all be in pain. Come in, squish in, squish in. Good for you. I mean, better than there's no ruckus, if you know what I mean. MCTS, ich bin ein Mensch, wo es, ich bin sehr, I don't know, kann ich der richtige Wort, weil kann ich lieber sagen, der Wort spiritual. Bei mir finde ich, kann ich mehr die Seeken von der MS, you know. So, wenn ich bin dort umgekommen, habe ich gesehen, oh, that is a mehr truer Sache, you know. Yeah, that's true, MCTS. Oi, vai, Penny. Noch immer, darf noch jetzt sein in the shelter. It's still happening. Connected is the word. Okay, yes, okay. In der Sache ist, man darf nicht heranfitten. Dort, wenn man es in Oman gewinnt jeder einer auf derselbe Page, which was amazing. Had him a disconnected wire. Please, die aus nach the wires, huh? Okay, I'm trying to catch you here. Oh, Sally with a gut punch. Sally with a gut punch. Und ich habe ihm gespielt mit der Stark. Von 10:44. Ich bin weggegangen an 11:30. Boom. Patience. I missed the move. There's no boots in the ground. In general, Israel is very used to the idea of war. Everyone just hunkers down and waits it out. There's nothing to do. You guys are kicking ass, I tell you. You guys are kicking ass.
DJ Chaim
Ladies and gentlemen, show me your hands, please.
Show me your hands, please.
We want to start, please.
We want.
אוקיי, אני מתחיל איתכם. אוקיי, עכשיו כולם.
This was me toen is hij weggegaan van dem.
סיימנו את החימום.
Great lesson, Viggy. 11:36. Gangen van $6 to $9.
אם אתם לא קופצים איתי עכשיו כולם, למעלה, למטה, בצדדים. אתם בבעיה כלכלית. מוכנים? 1, 2, let's go!
Sally. And by the way, MCTS, nicht jeder einer will feel connected, you know? Some people are so numb to it or they don't have it because they never had it, so they don't need it, in a sense. It's nicht kein negative. It's nicht so wie, oh, du bist nicht die. It's not for everybody, but if somebody needs it or wants it, and wächst auf einer Platz, wie man bekommt es nicht, it's It's like a bee with pollen, you know? It's always gonna seek out pollen. It's always gonna seek out flowers. Tell you should write. It's not all what I talk about.
דייגים חוזרים בערב, בקבוק של וויסקי שוב ביד, כך אשכח מהלבד, שכואב אצלי כמו חרב. מה הרוח מן הים?
So, wasn't patient enough, and boom, missed it. Okay. Some people can't help it, but be aligned with MS. Yes? And the Zach with MS is that it might not be what you think it is, but it's still the MS. And that could mess someone up sometimes. Really, really good. No. It's just what Uman brought out from people. What Breslov gave to people. The connection. You didn't need the okay from others. In andere Hasidus, you need the okay of people. Over there, you didn't need any okay. No, nothing to do with the Svurim. I mean, I knew certain things because people were talking about the Svurim, what it says, but there was no, it wasn't a connection to it. It was a connection to the people. It was a connection to what it represents, right? You picked up what Nachman is spitting down. It's just a different vibe than it was. Wasn't patient enough. And I missed it. This is such a shame. Für $6 zu $9. Okay, we're gonna let it go. That's a part from trading. That you gotta let go things quick. Was, 12 was eigen.
DJ Eyal El-Fassi. Shilad DJs.
It's about the daf. It's about the yomi. Yes. But I missed it. I was busy. I was going away. I was getting like, okay, there's no moves today. This is putzing around by $6. And I left. And then 11:36. Boom. To 6:36 and then to 7. Yeah, she's right next to me. She wants some attention. Awesome. Oh, she fell asleep. I mean, she gave up. She crashed down. She's like, okay, I'll sleep next to you. Fine. Ignore me. I would like to go on here to see if there's something there for me. So MCTS also got changed. Since ich bin dort gewesen, it became a different thing. So I can't really sort of vouch by saying like, oh, you're gonna feel it, or you know, the people were. I can't explain it. Again, Sach.
וגם עד סוף העולם אני הייתי הולך איתך, וגם עד סוף העולם אני הייתי הולך איתך, ליבי כמו ספר פתוח.
It was raw, yes. And also, people didn't know. Ich bin gefahren dort without knowing anything. And I went auf my Platz geschlafen, and then we just ate. It wasn't about the food. It wasn't about the private mikvahs, and it wasn't all about. Now it's all shtissim. So now you can't go into places. You have to, you know, get food before and after. It's not the same. It's not the same. It's not the same. It became like, wie fits that on? Wie willst du gehen? Wer dann Connections? I don't know. For me, it's over. It's not over because of this. It was over for a while back. But I'm saying, like, even if I was then. Alright, Chevre. Sie kommen der Zeit. Man darf sich segnen, man darf sagen goodbye. No matter how many times I try, it's kind of easy. Ich kaufe für jeden einen sogar like. Ich vergebe mich für jeden einen zu gehen für eine lange Zeit, eine kurze Zeit, for the whole time. Für das haben wir umgezogen auf eine andere Tab gemacht mit YouTube an der Tab. Warum ich mein dir, thank you. We geben Shkoyach for alle likers, sharers, commenters, subscribers, and especially for the members. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you all for being here. Housekeeping. Nacht, Nana Zeiger. Tonight will be a little late live. Ich bin nicht sicher. Like 8:45, maybe 9 o'clock. And we got watching the Friday Wiesel. The reason ich suche ist, just to remember, otherwise, ich sag mal vergessen, von Naftuli Moster. So we're going to watch that. Auch als ich will schicken a package. Die even bei Unboxing. Ich habe gepinned the comment, the address. Ja, Bashik. I got some great news, and I got notice that ungekommen ist a box, so we'll have the first box. We'll open it tonight, maybe. And that is for housekeeping. All right. Shall we this kijken, man? All right, thank you all for being there. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.